Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Alienware x14. This is actually a replacement model sent to me by Dell. The one I bought got damaged during transit after going back and forth with Dell. They said they're gonna replace it for me, and then after waiting for about 1 month, they said the replacement part is not available, so I have to opt for a replacement. And then this is the replacement. I hope and wish it does not break like the previous one. So without wasting your time, let's quickly go and unbox it. So when you open the black box, you have the same white box you have with other Alienware X series. And then on the inside you have a charging cable, and then you have the charging brick. Now the charging brick is 130 watt USB Type-C, so it's definitely the one that comes with the XPS 1595 100 and the 9510 and the 9520. So I think that's it. So I don't know why a 130 watt should be coming with a gaming laptop. I think it's a kind of odd. Wait, 130 watt. Those days when we have GTX 1050, I think that's when we used to have 130 watt. So but for GTX 1060, I think we used to have up to 180 watt adapter. Well, one way to find out. So and then we have the laptop. Let's quickly wrap it. Sorry, let me wind down a little. Okay, so yeah, and we have the x14 with a 14 number 14, just like the other ones. Let's keep the laptop aside first and then check what is inside again. So we have the paperwork here, which is exactly what you have with other X series. So nothing special inside. Okay, so let's quickly open the laptop up. Wow, it's pretty light, but it's still heavy. It's still heavy. Okay. It's like the back doesn't have the light strip. I'm trying to look at it, but I couldn't find anything like lightning at the back here. Okay, it's supposed to turn on normally if it were other X series. Once you open it, why is it not turning on? Okay, probably because the battery is not charged us, so I think. Okay, so it didn't turn on after opening the lid. Okay, let's quickly go and check out the ports. From left to right, you have a tiny air vent and then there's no port at the left. On the other X-series, I think the charging port used to be somewhere here. So for this one, there's no port. And at the front again, we do not have a LED indicator for the charging like we used to have on Alienware. So, and then at the right, the same thing. So there's no port. So all the ports are at the back of the laptop. So, and then at the back you have the first USB-C port, which also doubles as a display port, and you have a 3.5mm audio jack combo, and then you have full HDMI port, and then you have a USB-A port, and then you have a micro SD card reader, and then you have another two USB-A port. Sorry, two USB Type-C port. Now, there is a difference between these two ports. Like this one, they draw a charger, a charging cable, but this one they'll draw a Thunderbolt. I don't know if these two can charge it. One way to find out is during the review. Okay, I think that's it. The laptop pretty look small, but it still look that premium finish. Okay, so guys, that's it about the unboxing of the Alienware x14. So I will be doing a full review of the laptop later on. So please stay tuned and then subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed for other videos like this, and then my upcoming videos. So bye.